So here I got a Samsung TV that I'm tearing apart. I've got some of the screws out on it already. I got more to take out. So I'm going to pause it here in a moment. Take the rest of the screws out. Show you more on it. That didn't take too long though, did I? Some good copper sitting there. Aluminium. Transformer. It's more than meets the eye. Speaker, I believe, here. And a speaker, I believe, there. Other than some wiring. This one here is, well, there's the info on that. Made in Mexico. I'll be right back after these messages. So this is where your picture is, your screen, what have you. And I don't know where. See. Not much to it, eh? So one board under here. If I can get that paper up. I'll have to take that board out. A 2017 model. Yeah. Fun. Wish I had more footage for you on it, but you know, what do you do? That's the back, y'all. Anyway, metal should be worth a little bit, couple pounds, whatever. That's like, what, 10 cents? It's at a nickel a pound right now, so yeah.